destruction. The planet Tabian is struck by a meteor in the deepest parts of the galaxy. But what's this? The incredibly useful exploits of duct tape enthusiast Flimbo Ducton are able to hold the planet together, preventing annihilation. The success of his duct tape fixture ushers in a new era for the people of Tabian, one that revolutionizes architecture, agriculture, and even arts and crafts. Now, reveling in the amazement of this incredible super material, Tabian wishes to spread its duct tape culture with the rest of the galaxy.
Hello, Earth children, and welcome to Planet Tabian for a riveting installment of Planet of the Tapes. I am your host, Flimbo Ducton, but you may call me Flimbo Ducton for short. You know, Earth children, despite Tabians being superior to Earthlings in every conceivable way, we too still have a capacity for love. And a common Tabian tradition to express said emotion of love is the mutual presentation of genetically modified duct tape flora. Listen carefully now, Earth children, for I will now recount the specific duct tape gene therapy techniques necessary for producing your own... What? I'm not allowed to tell them about the duct tape Fine. But I suppose I will have to explain this the, old-fashioned way. Let's get started. First, you'll want to tear off a square piece of duct tape. It's not important that it's exactly a square, but as close as you can get it. Now, take one of the edges and fold it, leaving just enough room for the next step. Now, take this edge and fold it over. This is the primary component to your duct tape rose, the petal. For the very first and most central petal, you will want to fold it in until you have a nice base. How lovely. Now you have a suitable base for your rose, and you may begin adding more and more petals until finally you have a completed duct tape rose. Now, once you have the hang of it, you can try a bunch of different ways of making them. For example, this one I made multicolored and added 4 corners. And if you're really feeling fancy, you can even add your own stem. It's not as lucrative or precise as genetic modification will lend you, but I'm sure that your betrothed will take special notice in your Tabian-inspired handmade gift. Now, if you'll excuse me, I put some duct tape mini bagels in the oven a few minutes ago, and they should be done by now. Oh, and remember, stick to what you know, but never be afraid to try something new. This is Flimbo Ducton signing off. Tape-oo, tape-oo.